friends, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how we extract wax from the beehive friends. So these are the frames from the last year, which we can't use because some of them they have mold, some they are like not reusable this year. So we will extract wax and then we will make new frames. We are making new frames here and we will replace them. Like here. That's the wax sheet, and we are making them today. Like here are the wax sheets, and we are putting them in those. So this is the machine which is used to make the frame, to stick the wax with the frame, and this is the machine which is used to extract. So right now there are frames inside, and this is a very high temperature mixing machine. The temperature is almost 280 and I can feel it's really hot. You can't even touch it. So from here we put water, so it makes steam inside. So due to this steam, this wax melt. So one by one, all these frames we will be put it inside this machine and you will get the wax, which can be used in making different things like handles, or you can also prepare this wax sheet again from this wax. There is different procedure for that. We had purchased 3 queen bees today, and we will introduce them into the new 3 boxes. Yeah, you can see that's the queen. That's one more queen, and one of the queen is here. So they are having royal jelly inside, and soon they will be introduced to the new boxes. Yeah, that's here. So we're gonna put this into the new box, where they will stay in this small plastic box. So they will get used to, all the bees in those boxes, they get used to the new queen, and after a few days we will the queen will be released from this, and then it will be mixed with other bees. Since it's too hot, go. It's clean. All the wax is gone out. Yeah, now we'll take them out and put a little bit left.